Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Gemini, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your true soulmate and divine connection for the month of March 2021. Let's see what we have here, Gemini. Also, Gemini, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month. Alright, so let's look at into your energy here, Gemini. Like, wow, look at this. I literally got the confirmation for you here, and I have to say, Gemini, like, wow. Okay, let me just begin with the sign first because this energy is wonderful. So the sign that I'm getting here, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, as well as earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now on this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. I'm super excited for this. So look at this. First of all, here I've got the King and the Queen of the Wands coming up for you, and then secondly here I've got the King and the Queen of Pentacles coming up for you here. Like, two confirmation I've got here. Whenever I do a love reading, if I get the King and the Queen of the same suit coming up together, that is like already a massive confirmation that both of you have a very strong soul connection. So I've got three confirmation coming up for you here, Gemini, that yes, this person is your true divine counterpart. Yes, this is your true soulmate or twin flame energy, I would say here. Like, literally three confirmation that I've got for you here, Gemini. So never ever doubt this connection ever again. Now looking at your energy here, I've got the Queen of Cups, the King of Wands and the Five of Swords energy coming up here. So the first thing that I'm picking up from you here, Gemini, is that feeling defeated. I do feel like you do know, like, both of you have such a very strong soul connection here. Like I said, I do feel like some of you here have clicked onto this reading just to get another confirmation, because your intuition, like your feeling, have been telling you here that you are not insane, you're not going crazy. Like, there is definitely a very strong soul connection between both of you. So this is the confirmation for you here, I would say, Gemini. But the most important thing here is that you are feeling defeated and you're just like not sure why. You cannot forget about this person. It has been so long, but why I keep on thinking about this person, why I cannot forget about this person, like what is going on at this point of time. So there are a lot of questions, there are a lot of, like confusion, doubt, anger within yourself as well here. And I do feel like you yourself here, Gemini, even though you might not realize this particular connection, especially the separation between you and your person here, have maturing up, like have been making you mature up, especially when it comes into your emotional level, I would say here. Like, you may not realize this, but you are transforming within yourself, emotionally speaking, I would say here, Gemini, because you're getting more emotionally mature, you're getting more emotionally calm, I would say here. Because I feel like in the past you may seems to be like a little bit like stubborn or having like some sort of like anger issue, I would say here. But the moment that you meet this person, the moment that both of you coming together, as well as, and then after that the separation that happened between both of you here, like all of this has been like a huge transformation within yourself, I would say here. And it's also quite interesting because I've got two feminine energy coming up here. So either you or your person could be currently stuck in a third party situation, but with this both feminine energy coming up in your reading here, again the gender does not matter, but I do feel like some of you here, Gemini, currently stuck in a third party situation. This third party situation can be anything, can be another person that you're currently dating or in a relationship with, could also be like some sort of like mother issue or father issue. Like, toxic family members, or even like toxic friend, toxic colleague, that kind of energy could also be there. I'm also getting, because with this third party situation here, this is what I'm getting here. This is like the current blockage or the current delay between both of you, I would say here. So this could also explain the feeling defeated energy within yourself here, Gemini, like because you're currently stuck in a third party situation or in a karmic situation that you just like not sure what you need to do, what you need to, you know, like what you need to be breaking free from this particular situation. So this is kind of like making you feeling defeated. And it's also quite interesting because again, I've also got two masculine energy coming up here as well. So I do feel like both you and your person could be mirroring up each other really strongly, because I feel like both of you could be stuck in a karmic situation, or both of you could be stuck in a third party situation, and this is what causing the delay between both of you, I would say here, Gemini. Now looking at your person energy coming up here, I've got the King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Fool energy coming up here. And then I've also got the Death card, and then I've got the Eight of Cups coming up here. So I feel like your person is actually ready to leave all of this karmic situation, to leave all of this third party situation, to come towards you here. Because again, with this King and Queen of Pentacles coming up together here, your person is actually ready to take that leap of faith, I would say here, towards you here, Gemini. Like they are ready to leave all of this third party situation, all of this karmic situation. They are ready to take this leap of faith towards the union between both of you here, I would say here, Gemini. Like they are definitely ready to come towards you. They're definitely ready to, you know, like starting a new beginning between both of you here, Gemini. And it's also quite interesting because look at this, I've got the Ten of Cups and the Four of Wands energy coming up here. I do feel like this particular energy is like screaming the union between both of you. Look at this, the Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups coming up. A happy home, happy family, happy relationship. This is another confirmation, I would say, for you here, Gemini. The fourth confirmation for you here that this is definitely your true divine counterpart, your true soulmate energy, I would say. Like this is like 100% your true twin flame energy, I would say here, Gemini. Like there is no doubt here. Like within this particular reading, I've got 4 confirmation coming up for you here. The first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Like how many confirmation, how much more confirmation that you need here. So I do feel like at this point of time, because both of you, because again, like I said, I'm getting like a very strong third party energy, or at least a karmic situation here. But your person at this point of time here, Gemini, is actually ready to leave all of these blockages, to leave all of this third party energy here. Because with this Eight of Cups energy, this is basically talking about them leaving things that's no longer serving them for their highest good. They're finally leaving all of this energy behind, and they're going through this massive transformation, going through this rebirth transformation, I would say here, Gemini, and you know, like to just come towards you, I would say here. So this is what causing them to, you know, like finally able to take that leap of faith towards you. They're finally now able to take that leap of faith towards you and towards the union between both of you here, Gemini. So looking at the channel message I've got here, yes, and I've got soulmate and twin flame connection. So some of you may click on this message with some sort of like a question, like you have the question within yourself here. The answer for that is yes. And this is also the confirmation, like the 5th confirmation here for you, Gemini, that yes, both of you are true divine counterparts. So never ever doubt that ever again, Gemini here. So such a wonderful reading. I love this. I love this reading. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this reading also resonates with you. And yeah, don't forget to let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.